Hey folks, thought I'd get you up on. I just went for a little explore. I come up this ravine here. I found a cork top bottle up there, just an amber slick one, machine made. I didn't bring my bag or anything with me, no bag, no shovel or nothing. So I was just kind of looking around. Look what I just come across here. Some old stuff up in here. I wasn't expecting to find this. So I'm going to have a look around. I see there's a pile of old galvanized buckets and stuff there. These are old car parts. Some glass right across here. I'm going to skip across this water here and have a check on the other side, see what I can get into. I might have to go get my shovel and stuff. I'll get you back up if I find anything. Okay, catch you in a bit. Well, so far folks, I haven't found much of anything. Looks to be stuff from the 40s up to the 60s. But I just popped out this soda bottle right down here. Royal Crown Cola. Up on the neck here it's embossed 8 fluid ounces. So I'm going to take that home and see how well that cleans up. The ACL logo seems to be in pretty good condition there. So it might turn out alright. I haven't got one of these. Date on the bottom's 59. Illinois glass mark 59. So it doesn't want to focus. Too dark in here. It's on dusk, so anyways, I'll see what else I can get out of here. I'll get you back up if I find anything. Hey folks. Thought I'd take this opportunity to try cleaning up this ACL bottle. Everybody keeps asking me how I clean them up, so let's give it a shot with this. We'll see how it works out. So let's start off. Let's put a little water in there. There's not much dirt inside it, so I'm not worried about it going down my drain. Water's not too hot, just warm. I just got a toothbrush here, an old toothbrush. Start by cleaning up the lip and the neck with it. So far so good. A little bit of ACL there. I don't know how well you can see that. Not very well. But so far so good. It's a little worn. Now down to the main part here. Just going to give that a light scrub. There's some rust on it right there. I'll just take this wire brush and give that a scrub. Yep, that's come off. Another spot there. A couple more there. You don't want to rub the ACL with a wire brush. But already I can see just with the water running on it, some of this ACL logo of the 8 fluid ounces with the crown up around the top here is coming off it. So this may not turn out too well. Try a little more on the inside. The main logo cleaned up a bit. It's still not real good. Go over it again here. It's getting better. Not too shabby right now. I'm going to try a little bit of this Barkeeper's Friend on it. Sprinkle a bit of that on. That's just a real mild scouring powder. And I'll just gently rub that in circles and see what happens. Seems to be cleaning it up. Well, no, I don't want to do that too much. Keep starting to take it off. So we'll stop that. So that's probably about as good as that's going to get, which isn't bad actually. And I've still got to get the inside here, some dirt inside of it. See the black spot. I'll turn this off for now. And Let me just pause you for a second. Okay folks, so I got a piece of paper towel here and wet it a little bit. I'm going to stick it down in the neck there. I got my coat hanger, and I'm just going to take it inside there and rub it around the insides like that, all around, loosen up any debris that's in there. And a lot of it will stick to the paper towel, and if it doesn't, then it'll at least be loose by the time I'm done scraping it around in there. Okay, maybe put a little water in, can't hurt. We'll just go through there like that quite a bit. There's the paper towel. It's got a bit of debris on it. Put a little water, a little more water in it. Squish around, get the loose chunks out of it. And that's pretty good there now. Alright. Say the logo's not too bad. It's not as vibrant as it could be. If it was wet, it would look better. As you can see there, that looks better than when it's dry. But anyways, we're not going to keep the bottle wet, obviously. Maybe scrub the bottom of it a little bit with a wire brush. This one's got the stippling on it, so it's obviously after 1940s, probably from the 50s. The ACL up around the neck here is really faint there now. But anyways, it didn't turn out too bad, and it's a nice color. Yep. Okay. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll catch you all later. Good luck and happy hunting.